Hi, it's I here, and welcome to day 2 of the 7 Days to Predictable Revenue series. Yesterday, we talked about the hidden bottlenecks that block your revenue growth. If you missed that, you can go back and complete day 1. It will set the stage for what we're doing today. Today, it's about creating direction. We're going to turn your scattered vision into a simple, measurable 90-day growth map so you know exactly what to focus on, what to ignore, and where to lead your team next. To do that, I've created the Breakthrough Vision Mini Compass worksheet. You can download it from the link in this post. Be sure to make a copy so that you can edit your own vision. And let me walk you through how to use it.
So this is the worksheet for our day 2, the Breakthrough Vision Mini Compass. You can download it from the link in this post, but be sure to make a copy so you can edit your own version. Let me walk you through how to use this. Start with your 12-month vision on section number 1. Ask yourself, what do I want my business to look like a year from now? This could be $1.5 million in annual revenue, a lean team of 6, 2 signature offers, more time for family, consistent inbound leads. Don't overthink this, just write what success looks like for you. Section number 2, from that North Star, pick 3 measurable outcomes that will move you in that direction. So you'll write the goal, for example, 20 qualified leads per week, 20 qualified leads per week, and what's the target metric for this one, and explain why it matters. And these are your focus areas for the quarter. On section number 3, break your key results down month by month. So you can ask, what can I realistically move forward in the next 90 days? This will help you prevent overwhelm. So you're not trying to fix everything, just move the right levers at the right time. Section number 4, this section helps you pinpoint what needs attention. You look at lead generation, offer and positioning, delivery and team ops, time and focus. Just write down what's missing, misaligned, or messy in each area. This step is crucial because a strategy without alignment still leads to chaos. You can see some example here, and you can select from this example if you don't have anything in mind. And on 5, score each of those areas from 1 to 5. 1 means it's a mess, and 5 means feel solid and clear. So this creates a snapshot of your growth readiness. It's not about judgment, it's about knowing where the gaps are. Example, for lead generation, if you feel it's still messy, then you can rate 1. For offer, if you think that you have a solid offer, you can rate it 5, and so on and so forth. And at the bottom of the worksheet, you'll see section 6, you'll commit to 1 micro action this week. Small wins build real momentum. Don't underestimate the power of making one focused move in the right direction. What you've just worked through is a simplified version of this full breakthrough vision compass I use in client engagement. It includes things like a structured strategic path with detailed milestone, alignment tracks that sync your team offers and customers to one clear direction, success drivers that help you accelerate momentum without adding more complexity. So this is the same tool I use when building out custom growth systems, whether that's campaign, systems, or freeing up CEO time. And this is an example of how it looks like as a summary.
This is the same tool I used when building out custom growth system, whether that's campaigns, system, or freeing up CEO time. If you want to dig deeper and get hands-on help building this out, aligning your vision, offers, operations, and mapping your next 30 days in detail, that's exactly what we do inside the Clarity Sprint. You can book a free, no obligation 30-minute discovery call to explore if it is a fit for you. The link is just below this video. No pressure. This mini version already puts you ahead of most founders out there. But if you want to accelerate clarity and scale faster, don't do this alone. And make sure to watch out for day 3, where we break down your growth funnel, uncover where leads are dropping off, and create an action plan to plug those leaks so your pipeline starts flowing smoothly and predictably. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you on day 3.